Good morning, good evening, good night. Whenever you're watching this video, I hope you are doing well. You guys know we're selling homes, we're helping, we're showcasing what we got in the area. We're still in the Texas Research Park Center, 78245 by Highway 11, Highway 211, and Highway 90 in San Antonio. This address here is 14605 Semele View. This house is priced at $298,000. It has a total of 3 beds, 2 baths, and a little more than 1,600 square feet. So let's go ahead and check it out, guys. We're in the area, we've been selling in the neighborhood, we keep getting recommended. If any of the neighbors don't want to leave, guys, so we're here. Here's one of the beds. Right when you walk in to the right, we have our bedroom with our closet. There's our door we walked in. As we continue in, we have the second room with mirrors. This one looks nice. The mirrors, large view, looks big. Here's the first full bath that these 2 rooms share. All right, so now let's walk in and show you guys the beautiful kitchen and living area, plus our backyard. All right, guys, so this is our living room. You can see we have 2 large windows in the living room. And we show you guys the beautiful kitchen. Look at that amazing, beautiful kitchen, guys. This kitchen comes with all the appliances. It's 42-inch cabinets, granite. We have a refrigerator. We have a water filtration system. We have a dishwasher. And a microwave and stove, guys. Look at this beautiful kitchen. Look at this beautiful view of what you're gonna get whenever you purchase this home or other homes in this neighborhood, guys. Look at beautiful. All right, that's our kitchen. And we have a backyard and our master to show you guys. Let me go to the master first. To the back of the house, we have here total of 3 large windows in the master. Plenty of ambient lighting. As you look forward, you have on your left-hand side, you have your walk-in closet, and on the right-hand side, you have your full bath, double sink, as you guys can see, and we have a full shower, stand-up shower with tile and glass, guys. Now, let's not forget the beautiful living space in the backyard. You guys can see it some of it here, but there is a 12 by 10 covered patio that's out there. Great for living with your family, or a little bit of morning coffee, a little bit of afternoon drink, whatever you guys enjoy. This is nice, check it out. All right, guys, they have the privacy lines as it is, so keep this extra quiet. We have our 10 by 12 patio out here, covered, as we mentioned. And you can come out here and enjoy these beautiful views. The building on top of the hill over there towards the back would be the Texas Research Center. And just enjoy how quiet and beautiful this neighborhood is. A lot of families, a lot of growing families. This house is on a corner lot, so it has extra backyard room that most houses in neighborhoods don't have. Let me walk you guys back here on the side of the house. There's this extra whole runway in the house that we have here. And this will be it, guys. Beautiful home. If you guys are interested in this home or any other home in San Antonio, I would love to help. Thank you.